In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QR code generator Figma plugin. This powerful tool allows you to seamlessly integrate scannable QR codes directly into your designs, making it incredibly easy for users to access external links, websites, or any other digital content by simply scanning the code with their smartphone. It's a fantastic way to bridge your physical and digital design elements, enhancing user experience and interaction. To begin, you'll first need to open your Figma project. Once you're inside your design file, navigate your mouse cursor to any empty space on your canvas. It doesn't matter if it's on a blank artboard or just a clear area of the background. Right-click anywhere on the canvas. This action will bring up Figma's contextual menu. From the options that appear, you'll want to hover your mouse over the Plugins entry. This will reveal a submenu showing all the plugins you have installed, as well as an option to find more. Once you've hovered over plugins, a new list will unfurl. In this list, you'll need to locate and click on the QR code generator plugin. If you have many plugins installed, you might need to scroll down the list to find it, or you could use the search bar within the plugin menu if it's available, which can save you a bit of time. After you click on QR code generator, the plugin's interface will typically open up as a small window or panel right on your Figma canvas, ready for your input. Now that the QR code generator plugin window is open, you'll see an input field. This is where you'll paste the destination URL. The destination URL is simply the web address or link that you want your QR code to direct users to when they scan it. This could be anything from your personal portfolio website, a specific product page on an e-commerce site, a link to a contact form, a social media profile, or any other online resource you wish to share. To do this, first copy the desired URL from your web browser or wherever it's stored. Then, click into the input field within the plugin window and press Ctrl+V if you're on a Windows computer, or Command+V if you're using a Mac, to paste the link. As soon as you paste the URL, the plugin will instantly process the information and generate a unique QR code tailored to that specific link. This generated QR code will usually appear right within the plugin's window, ready for you to place directly into your design. After generating, it's always a good habit to quickly test the QR code with your phone's camera to confirm it correctly leads to your intended destination. This ensures everything is working perfectly before you finalize your design.